welcome back. How's everything today?
Hey, Emma. I'm good. I feel a little excited, actually.
Excited. Oh, wow. Why excited?
Because the weekend is coming.
Ah, yes, the wonderful weekend.
Exactly. 2 days of freedom.
Yes. So today's topic fits perfectly. Today's topic is talking about your weekend plans.
Nice. This is something people talk about all the time.
Yes. On Fridays, at work, at school, people always ask, "What are your plans for the weekend?" Or, "What are you doing this weekend?"
Very common questions.
Exactly. So today we learn simple sentences to talk about weekend plans.
Let's start.
First, let's teach the key question. What are your plans for the weekend?
And an easier version is, what are you doing this weekend?
Yes, both mean the same thing. Listeners, repeat. What are your plans for the weekend? What are you doing this weekend?
Good job.
Now let's teach simple answers. You can say, I'm going to rest. I'm going to visit my family. I'm going to meet my friends. I'm going to study. I'm going to cook. I'm going to watch a movie.
Very simple and very useful.
Listeners, repeat after us. I'm going to rest. I'm going to meet my friends. I'm going to watch a movie. I'm going to study.
Great.
Emma, what are you doing this weekend?
This weekend, I'm going to visit my sister. I haven't seen her in a while.
Aw, that's nice. Family time.
Yes, and what about you?
I'm going to relax, maybe watch a movie, and I might cook something new.
Oh, nice. That sounds peaceful.
Yes, simple weekend.
Now let's teach some common weekend activities.
Shopping, cleaning, hiking, going to the beach, going to the park, having a picnic, working, sleeping, playing sports, reading a book.
Listeners, repeat. Shopping, cleaning, hiking, going to the beach, sleeping, reading a book.
Excellent. Emma, maybe we can teach how to talk about maybe plans.
Yes, good idea. You can say, I might go to the park. I might stay home. I might see a friend. I might cook dinner.
Might means it's not sure.
Right. Maybe yes, maybe no.
Listeners, repeat. I might go to the park. I might stay home.
Very good.
Now let's do a simple weekend conversation.
Sure. Hey, Leo, do you have any weekend plans?
Yes, I'm going to watch a movie on Saturday.
Nice. What about Sunday?
I might meet my friend, but I'm not sure yet.
Sounds like a good weekend.
Yes, what about you?
I'm going to visit my sister on Saturday, and on Sunday, I'm going to rest.
Perfect.
That's a very natural conversation.
Easy for beginners.
Exactly. Now let's teach how to say this weekend, next weekend, and last weekend.
Very helpful.
For example, this weekend I'm going to relax. Next weekend I'm going to travel. Last weekend I visited my parents.
Listeners, repeat. This weekend, I'm going to relax. Next weekend, I'm going to travel. Last weekend, I visited my parents.
Great.
Emma, maybe we can talk about weather and weekend plans.
Yes, weather changes weekend plans a lot. You can say, if it's sunny, I'm going to go to the park. If it rains, I'm going to stay home.
Very useful sentences.
Listeners, repeat. If it's sunny, I'm going to go to the park. If it rains, I'm going to stay home. Excellent.
Now let's do another natural example conversation about weekend plans.
Yes, let's practice. Hi, Leo. Any plans for this weekend?
Well, if it's sunny, I'm going to go hiking. But if it rains, I'm going to stay home and watch TV.
Nice. Sounds flexible.
What about you?
I'm going to meet a friend on Saturday, and on Sunday, I might clean my house.
Cleaning day. I know that feeling.
Yes, we all need it sometimes.
True.
Great example.
Thanks.
Now, listeners, it's your turn. Answer these questions out loud. What are your plans for the weekend? What are you doing this weekend? Are you going to meet your friends?
Are you going to rest? What might you do? Good job, everyone.
Now let's do a quick review. Today we learned how to talk about weekend plans using simple sentences. I'm going to. I might. This weekend I'm going to.
And we learned common activities: resting, meeting friends, cooking, watching movies, hiking, shopping, sleeping, reading.
And we practiced questions. What are your plans for the weekend? What are you doing this weekend?
Very useful in daily English.
Yes, people use these questions every week.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
Keep practicing and enjoy your weekend plans.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.